Hi everyone! Earlier I showed you how to add a new user and input the basic details of the staff. In this video, I'll show you how to input the leave details for the same staff. The join date and asset date are based on the information you provided in the basic details. Opening balance is still 0, and this will be prorated for you based on the join date, yearly entitlement, and grade. Grade is based on your leave configuration settings. Let's assign a grade. And as you can see, opening balance is already prorated. This time, let's assign a recommending and approving officer for the staff by clicking on the person icon. When you click on the person icon, a pop-up window will appear where you can see all of the staff in your system. Choose the name of the staff you'd like to assign as a recommending officer, and the same goes for your approving officer. The names of the staff you chose should appear in this area. The work week is important in order for the system to accurately calculate the number of leave taken days. If the staff is expected to work on a public holiday or PH, please put a tick on this box. Gender and marital status are important so that the system can filter gender-related leave types like income trading or maternity leave. At the bottom, you will see child information. If the staff is entitled to child care-related leave types, the child information should be completed. First, you click on Yes, and additional fields will appear. Take note that only the youngest child's name will be considered for child care-related leave type as per MOM policy. Let's input the child's name as well as the date of birth. Leave start year is automatically populated based on the date of birth. If the child is a Singaporean child, please put a tick on Pro Family Leave box. If the staff is entitled to shared parental leave, please put a tick as well. Once you have completed everything, you can go ahead and click on Save and Next. The next video will show you how to input the payroll details for the same staff. Thank you!